Unlock the power of a cutting-edge AI model right on your own computer, without needing a powerful GPU or internet connection. Today, we're diving into running the impressive DeepSeek language model locally using Docker. And the incredibly user-friendly open web UI, this means easy experimentation and development at your fingertips. First, we need to get our environment ready. This involves ensuring Docker is installed and running smoothly on your system if you don't have it yet. A quick search for install Docker will get you started on that. Next, we'll pull the necessary Docker images. This is like downloading the building blocks for our AI playground. We'll specifically fetch the containers for Open Web UI and the DeepSeek model, which contain all the code and configurations needed. Once the downloads are complete, we'll launch Open Web UI. This is our web-based interface that will make interacting with DeepSeek a breeze. We'll configure it to recognize and connect with our locally deployed DeepSeek model, essentially establishing communication between them. Now for the exciting part. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Open Web UI address. You'll see a clean interface where you can select DeepSeek from the available models. You can then start typing your prompts, ask questions, or even generate creative text, all processed locally. See, DeepSeek is now running directly on your machine. This setup allows for secure, private experimentation and development, giving you the freedom to explore its capabilities without any external dependencies. And there you have it, DeepSeek running locally with ease, thanks to Docker and Open Web UI. Happy experimenting!